Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to repair your LG TV remote control. The pressing the power button, TV won't turn on. You gotta open the remote. You can use a old credit card that you're not using, or a guitar key, a guitar player key. First, start from the top, go around, press in hard. Take your time, slide it, slide it, slide it all the way down, pressing harder as you can, pressing hard, keeps gliding it down all the way. Yeah, see that one, open, right, then do the same thing, go back on the top, start from the top, go right around to the other side. Pressing hard as you go, glide, keep gliding. There you go, got it open. Okay, take your time, open it. Look inside, you check for any liquid spill. So first you take this piece off, then inside you got this rubber piece with the buttons, and underneath you got the motherboard. You gotta clean all of this off. Take the motherboard out too. Gently remove the motherboard. Turn it over, you open it, remove your batteries, then turn it over, then you gently remove the motherboard. You gotta clean everything out. Use some alcohol, propyl alcohol, about 90 degrees, 90% propyl alcohol. Use a microfiber cloth. Make sure you clean all these parts inside. That's plus the bottom plus. Do the same thing all over. Clean inside the battery compartment too. Okay, put that aside. Do the same thing for the top part. Clean all. Turn it over. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, rest that aside. Put some more alcohol. Do the same thing on this motherboard. Clean everything. Turn it over. Clean. Okay. Then rest that aside. Now you clean this button, touchpad. Clean in between all the buttons. Turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Clean. Make sure it have no debris inside. Any spill, make sure wipe out. Okay, now put everything back together. First, start with the bottom bolt. Starting with the bottom. No, not the bottom. Start with the top piece. Take the top piece, put your rubber buttons in. This piece, use this piece, right? Put the buttons in. Good. Next, you put your motherboard. Put your motherboard in. Make sure, see, like this. This part down. Like that. Then, you put your back cover on. See, like that. Close it, press it, make sure to close it back. Then insert your batteries, put the cover on. Let's test it.